In this video, we are going to see that if we want to change the country in Google Play Store, here's how we can easily do it. So we just click on the top right hand corner on the profile icon, and if we scroll down a little bit, we can see this payments and subscription option. Click on that. From here, we click on the payment methods and we click on more payment methods. And once we are in here, it will open up the Google Pay settings along with the payment method that we have selected in our Google Wallet. On the left hand side, you can see these three lines. Just click on that. From here, we will choose settings. And once we are in the settings, and from here, we can see different options. And if we click on the country and region, click on the pencil icon next to it, and you should be able to get this option, create a new profile. You click on the create a new profile, and we continue from here, and you should be able to select the country or change the country from here. So let's say we select something like Canada here, click on continue, and you just enter the rest of the information here, guys, whatever is the address, whatever is the city, province, and so on. After that, you just hit submit. So once you enter all of this, you should be able to submit this, and that is how you can change your information or country in the Google Play Store. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.